Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Life. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Attempt something challenging today. If a mistake occurs, celebrate your growth. To err is human, and to correct gently is humane. How did you feel when someone last made a mistake that impacted you? How critical are you of your own mistakes? Have some perspective. What do people mean when they say this? Because it feels a little bit like they mean have a different perspective. And yes, a shift of the camera lens can be helpful. But no matter where you are, you do have a perspective. It's different from how you may see it in a week, a day, or a year. But being right where you are, right in the middle of it, that is perspective. And what else do we need to hear today? Number 32. The waters of creativity and sensuality flow within my hara. Faith may trust, steady your fears. Imagine, may you look beyond what can be seen. All right, which item has our messages today? If we don't say yes authentically, we say no resentfully, and that leads to far more problems than if we'd say no in the first place. Shifting your thinking from what do I need to do to who do I want to be helps your actions flow from purpose instead of pressure. Corey Allen. I release all resistance and allow my body to heal naturally. Every cell in my body radiates with perfect health. Once again, not being able to teleport is continuing to be a huge inconvenience for me. Yes, yes. Love people from your heart, not from your mood and needs. And the last one today. How can this oops help us learn? All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.